Hello Gemini, welcome to your weekly intuitive reading. I hope that you are doing well. I am doing your reading, Gemini, during the full moon in Gemini. So you are the first for the week, and powerful energy as always. So let's just jump right into it. This is the message for Sun, Moon, or Rising in the sign of Gemini. Please keep in mind that these are general messages, so take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Try not to build a story if it's not resonating for you. Most likely the message is not for you. Check with your other placements, your moon sign, your rising sign, or any of the other zodiac that may stand out to you. All right, Gemini, let's see what message comes through for you. And for all of you who live in the United States and celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope that you had a happy Thanksgiving. I believe that every day should be a day of giving thanks and being grateful. Finding things to be grateful for. I'm not going to read reversals today. All right, Gemini. Overall, there is some newfound understanding or clarity in an aspect of your life. And this is the beginning stages of a new transformative path. You're being prepared for what's to come. So you're sort of stripping away some of the old, outdated beliefs, thoughts about yourself, thought processes, just ways of being, and finding yourself in a more balanced state. Feeling more grounded, feeling at home within yourself, and really finding that you're coming to a completion of the old you. There's so much to see, so much to learn, so much to understand about your beliefs, about the way that you've operated, what has gotten into your head. From time to time, we are very programmable as human beings within the mind. And so you're really getting a good look at yourself. Why did I believe that? Who am I? Who was I? What is happening to me? What is happening to you? Prince of Wands is that you are coming into your own. You're beginning to individuate and finding the courage and the strength, the self-awareness to move forward with your higher self. It's a Leo energy. You're really coming into your own, Gemini. And I'm being prompted to just mention, and I think I will do a separate video on this, but I probably will just mention it in each of the zodiac. For any of you, this is something that I've been recently studying and learning and understanding in more in depth, as this is a topic that is pretty big in our world right now. Narcissism and victims of narcissistic abuse. If any of you find that you are waking up to this type of truth, even if it has to do with twin flame, I highly, highly suggest checking out a channel from a doctor. His name is Sam Vadkin, V-A-D-K, V-A-D-K-N-I-N. I believe that's how you spell it. Anyway, he is not only a doctor and an expert, he is also a bona fide narcissist. So he's speaking from the horse's mouth. And there's a lot to be understood and to be known through him. But only if you feel called to, because if you're not ready, it will not resonate for you. All right, so Two of Wands, nature. Yeah, you are coming into your true nature. Starting to feel like your true self. You may also be getting in tune with nature a lot more. In tune with your spirit. The spirit that is within nature, that is also within you. I almost want to go grab my notebook to find the spelling of that doctor, since I just put it out there. I just find it very profound and important for anybody that is struggling to heal from such an experience. It is also spiritual. I do see it that way. We have service. Wow. So as you are becoming whole again within yourself, your true self, not the false self, you're recognizing there had been a false self. Once you come into your true nature, that energy, the power generated from your essence will be of great service to others going forward. Whether you're aware of it or not, but this also may be your calling to be of service in an area of your life. Inspiration popped out to just kind of confirm that. You may feel a calling or an inspiration to be of service to others, to humanity, to the earth, to animals, to plants, whatever it is that you feel called to. And as you begin to shift and change within yourself, within life, within the direction of your life, you're taking some newfound wisdom, which is really ancient wisdom that you've carried within yourself, and you're putting that into practice, planning. You're utilizing your internal knowledge and wisdom that you are gaining on your journey to plan for this next leg of this next chapter of your life. And again, speaks of strength, resilience, Prince of Wands. When we finally empower ourselves by becoming our true self, our authentic self, when we're connected to our higher self, we are resilient. Nothing will stop us. Ace of Swords, creativity. Yeah, so these aha moments are really inspiring your imagination and creative elements. What it is, the energy we use to generate, to create something new. The Tower. Something is drastically changing within you. The Tower, it can be shocking, but it can also just be quick and abrupt, and it cracks you open. cracks you open, prepares you. Cracks you open to your nature, your true nature, prepares you for what's to come, that your true self, your higher self, is guiding you to. Tell me about service, Four of Wands. Thank you. Oh, yeah. And as you come into your true self and find that you are called to be of service in one way, shape, or form, and this really can even be as simplistic as smiling to a stranger, acknowledging what you may not have acknowledged in the past. Six of Materials. This speaks of equal give and take, collaborations, working in combination with others, reciprocity. All right. Beautiful. I'm prompted to look this card up, and for some reason, it's odd. I never have the books for cards out, ever. But this book is just sitting here because I just brought the deck out. I'm going to look up the Six of Materials because I feel like there's more here to this card than meets the eye. All right, well, it is giving and receiving with service. The flow of abundance, being charitable, accepting help from others, power and balance, and sidestepping a miserly mindset. As you begin to plan for your future self, along with your higher self, with your true self, you find there's a lot of energy that backs you up. Muse of inspiration. There's a lot of divine energy that suddenly lifts you up and takes you where you need to be. And this feels very fulfilling. And it is of the heart, of your passion, of love. Give yourself some time. Be patient. Give yourself time to rest and recover from what this Tower is bringing. Shocking. Can be an adjustment, a new lifestyle altogether. So take it slow. Six of Emotions at the bottom. Get in touch with your inner child and your childlike wonder about life. Get curious, play with life. This will go far for you. And we have strength below that. This will also give you strength through the times, because life is a spiral, through the times where sometimes we can't see where we're going. Sometimes we don't fully know. We feel stuck in an area of life. Get into that. Get in touch with your inner child and that childlike wonder within you. Gemini, I'm going to get that name right real quick. I am being called to tell you so there's definitely somebody out there who needs to hear this. Dr. Sam Vaknin, V-A-K-N-I-N. He has a YouTube channel, many amazing videos, but you need to be prepared for it, meaning you need to be separated from, if this is for somebody that may be in a narcissistic relationship, you must be separated from the narcissist. And this is for any of you who are going through the process of healing, because it takes a long time if you're not fully aware of all of the intricate workings that happen in the mind through those types of connections. Okay, so that's for some of you very specifically. And let's get you some advice. We're going to pull advice from the Shamanic Healing Oracle for you, Gemini. Please don't forget to like the video if you are enjoying this video. It helps with the algorithms here on YouTube. I appreciate all of you who do. And feel free to comment. I love to read all of your comments. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Oops. All right. Advice for Gemini, thank you. Okay. We have the card of forgiveness. And you know, when we have these shocking realizations, a lot of times, and it fell under the Two of Wands, it is a shocking realization of self-forgiveness becomes very important. To understand why we had to go through what we went through and why our dynamics and our minds and our patterns changed, so we would have specific experiences to learn and grow and evolve from. All right, Gemini, let's read it from the book for you as well. Forgiveness. It has been said, forgiveness is the greatest gift we can give ourselves. Forgiveness of others, but also forgiveness of self. We are most critical and judgmental of ourselves. This inner critic does so much more harm than criticism that comes from others. Forgive yourself for not trusting others and getting hurt, for not knowing, for not seeing, for not believing. You are human and you are growing and learning. Human perfection is rooted in imperfection. This card indicates the need for forgiveness in the situation asked about. So it seems as though you are awakening to more of your true nature, your true self, and maybe reflecting a little bit back on some of the lessons that you had to learn and some of the beliefs that you were operating under that are no longer, they're no longer viable for your path. And so we typically have to understand that we get put into spells or hypnosis of such. Our minds can kind of become altered, especially through certain relationships. So definitely give yourself forgiveness. And it looks like you have a wonderful new track ahead of you. So that's a beautiful thing. I hope that you found this helpful for you, Gemini. I am sending you out so much love. Take care. Bye.